Hello, and welcome to this presentation from BetterInvesting, in which we'll define what a stock is. To keep things simple, we'll limit our talk to what are called common stocks. When you see or hear stories about the stock market, they're almost always talking about the prices of common stocks. A stock is a type of financial instrument, also called a security, that gives the holder part ownership in a company. Being an owner means that you have a claim on the company's buildings, machines, and other assets, as well as its earnings. As a part owner, you usually have the right to vote at shareholders' meetings and to receive dividends if the company issues them. Dividends are periodic payments made out of the company's profits to shareholders. So, why do companies issue stock? Why don't the original owners of the company keep all these rights to the assets and earnings to themselves? Well, a common reason is that companies want to expand, and to fund this growth, they decide that selling part of the company by issuing shares of stock is a better option than borrowing money or using the cash they have on hand. So, the company issues a set number of shares, and people then buy and sell these shares based on whether they believe the value of the company's shares will go up or down in the future. The more shares of stock you buy in the company, the larger the percentage of ownership you'll have. When you buy shares of stock, your ownership typically is recorded electronically with the information kept by the company as well as by the firm that handles the transaction for you. Sometimes you can obtain an actual certificate of ownership that includes the number of shares owned, an identification number, and other information. So why would you want to own shares of stock? After all, you could start your own business and keep all the ownership rights and profit to yourself. But when you own shares in other companies, you let others do all the work for you, and as the company grows in value, you benefit from the gains. And history has shown that over the long term, ownership in common stocks is the best investment of your funds in achieving financial security.